This is a large woodcut I did around 1990, so I've been dating it 1990. Freedom is how I've titled the handful of prints I've printed over the years. This one I gave a 3-word English, Italian, and French title. Freedom. And if I'm pronouncing the Italian correctly, GIUSTIZIA. And I forgot the accent mark on the second E in the French, LIBERTÉ. And there's one proof in a public collection which I gave as a gift to Real Change, the nonprofit advocacy organization in Seattle that aids the homeless and publishes the Real Change newspaper. All right, there you have it, just like I pictured it. So kind of like, yes, viva, vive. Or actually, I had my hand in a fist, but the hand, as I depicted it, was more like that. On a stairwell. Had a good light here. All right, there you have it. Viva!